Arnold W. Cook was born November 11, 1811, in Boston, Massachusetts, to his parents Jesse and Lucretia Cook. In 1817, his father left on a voyage to Canton, China, and died on the way. Soon after, his mother passed, leaving Arnold an orphan at the age of 6. After his parents passed, he lived with his uncle, Cephas Parker, in Boston, Massachusetts. Arnold traveled quite a bit following his parents' passing. He lived in Rutland, Vermont, then Chautauqua County, New York, New Orleans, and Alabama, where he stayed for 3 years. Then he traveled to Lincoln, Kentucky, where he met his wife. In 1830, he got married to Martha Owsley. The couple had 4 children. He started farming and dealing stock horse for a number of years in Kentucky. In 1869, he sold out and moved to Floyd County, Iowa, where he bought a stock farm on Cedar Creek. He had one of the finest stock farms in northern Iowa. In 1870 and in 1874, he made trips to France and imported some of the finest stock ever brought to America, Norman Percheron horses. Arnold Cook passed on February 12, 1887, at the age of 75.